Projects will be templated to easily understand, quickly get started, and standardizing purposes. To access the templated folder, go to the Finder in the Dock and Documents on the sidebar. There you will find the templated folder and current projects folders. You can also quickly get to this location in the Finder by opening it from the shortcut on the desktop. In the templated folder, you will find Assets, Audio, Export, Footage, PowerPoint, and Premiere Pro folders. In the Assets folder, you will add things such as photos, PowerPoint slides, or logos. The Audio folder will have audio files such as voiceovers or music. The Export folder is where you will export final videos. The Footage folder will have video files such as light camera footage from a procedure or other video files relevant to the project. The PowerPoint folder will have the Houston Methodist brand standardized PowerPoint document that you will use to create the title slide and case info slides. The Premiere Pro folder will have the Premiere Pro document and autosaves.